This is Korean Kiwi Guy back to show you how to make Gyu Soboro Don or ground beef rice ball. You can use chicken mince instead of beef to make Tori Soboro Don as well. This is one of my go-to easy Japanese dish and it's great lunchbox menu too. Also check out my cooking vlog videos where I show you what I cook for a day with recipes. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and more. Let's get right ahead. To make 2 servings of Japanese ground beef rice ball, you need 250 grams of beef mince, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, but if you only have one of mirin or sake, it's okay, just use one of them, and 1.5 tablespoon of sugar or less, 2 teaspoons of ginger, grated or fine chopped. You can use less, but I think it tastes better with extra ginger. And lastly, some freshly chopped spring onions or green peas to garnish. Now I have everything ready. I'll start by pan fry the meat first until it's roughly cooked. Then add soy sauce, sugar, mirin, sake and ginger all at once. Make sure you break up the meat into small pieces and stir fry until it looks relatively dry. Once you have finished with the beef looking like this, just set it aside and beat 2 eggs to make scrambled eggs. Make sure you break the eggs into small pieces as well. And one thing about scrambled eggs for this dish is that some people add 1 tablespoon of sugar when you beat the egg, but I find it a little bit too sweet overall, so I'll just make my scrambled eggs with a little bit of salt only. Now we are almost finished. Serve steamed rice in a bowl and put these 3 toppings on top as you like and you're done. So there you have it. Gyu Soboro Don. Quick, easy, delicious Japanese ground beef rice bowl. Perfect for lunch menu. And also, you can make it with chicken as well. If you found this video useful, please like and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is Korean Kiwi Guy. See you next time and always, have fun cooking.